Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Shred and Shine. Today, we're going to delve into a challenge many of us face in our weight loss journey. The dreaded plateau. I've been there, not once but twice. Each time it required a different strategy to overcome it and continue my progress. From recalibrating my diet to seeking professional help, I've tried various methods to break through. So, let's dive into my journey and see how I overcame these obstacles. The first plateau in my weight loss journey occurred about 6 months in. I was making steady progress, shedding pounds, feeling healthier, and then suddenly, the momentum stopped. My weight was stubbornly static, and it was as if I'd hit a wall. The scale refused to budge, and this was, to put it mildly, frustrating. In an attempt to break through this plateau, I took a long, hard look at my calorie intake. I was meticulous in ensuring I was consuming fewer calories than I was burning, but to no avail. The numbers on the scale remained unchanged. I decided to step up my game and increase the intensity of my workouts. I sweated it out, pushed myself harder, but again, no change. My weight remained the same. The confusion was real. I was doing everything right, or so I thought, but the results just weren't showing. It was a tough period, and I won't lie, there were moments of self-doubt. But I knew I had to keep going, I had to find a solution. And so I decided to try something different. I switched my diet plan. I started embracing a low-carb diet. It wasn't easy to make the switch, but I was determined. I cut out bread, pasta, and other high-carb foods and replaced them with lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Slowly but surely, the scale started to move again. I could feel the difference, not just in my weight, but also in how I felt. My energy levels were up. I felt more focused. And most importantly, I was losing weight again. Switching to a low-carb diet was the game-changer for me at this point. It was a significant shift, but it helped me break through my first weight loss plateau. It taught me that sometimes a change in approach is all you need to get back on track. The second plateau was more challenging and occurred after a year of weight loss. It felt like déjà vu, but this time the stakes were higher. I was back at the drawing board trying to figure out how to kickstart my weight loss journey again. I went through the usual motions, recalculating my calorie intake, stepping up my workout intensity, and tinkering with my diet plan. However, these tactics that had previously worked like a charm were now falling flat. I was in a rut, and it was frustrating. Every morning the scale would show the same number, and I could feel my motivation dwindling. I knew I had to do something different, but I wasn't sure what. I felt like I was running out of options, but then it occurred to me that I hadn't tried seeking professional help. So I decided to consult with a nutrition expert. This was a game changer. The nutritionist took a close look at my diet and pointed out that while I was consuming fewer calories, I was not getting all the nutrients I needed. This was a revelation. I was so focused on cutting calories that I hadn't considered the importance of a balanced diet in weight loss. We worked together to adjust my diet plan. We ensured that I was eating nutrient-dense foods that would not only keep me satiated, but also fuel my workouts and overall health. The focus was not just on weight loss, but on holistic wellness. And guess what? It worked. After making these changes, I started to see the scale move again. It was slow, but it was progress. With renewed determination and a more balanced diet, I was able to break through the second plateau. This experience taught me a valuable lesson. Sometimes you need an expert's perspective. When you've tried everything and you're still stuck, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. It could be the missing piece of the puzzle. Seeking professional help was a pivotal decision in overcoming my second weight loss plateau. Overcoming these plateaus wasn't easy, but I learned some valuable lessons along the way. Firstly, the frustration you feel when you hit a weight loss plateau, it's normal, and it's okay. In fact, it's more than okay, it's part of the process. The journey to weight loss isn't a straight road, it's more of a winding path with its own set of hills and valleys. It's vital to remember that hitting a plateau doesn't mean your progress has come to a full stop. Instead, it's a sign that it's time to evaluate and adjust your strategy. The second lesson is the importance of persistence. It's the consistent and dedicated effort that will ultimately lead to success. When the scale doesn't budge, it's easy to feel disheartened and think about throwing in the towel. But don't. This is the time to dig your heels in and keep pushing forward. You might need to experiment with different methods just as I did. It could be adjusting your diet, ramping up your exercise routine, or even changing the type of workout you're doing. And remember, it's not just about losing pounds. It's about becoming healthier, stronger, and more in tune with your body. Sometimes, the scale won't reflect your progress, but that doesn't mean you're not improving. You might be gaining muscle, Your clothes may fit better, you might be able to climb stairs without getting winded. These are all signs of progress and should be celebrated just as much as the numbers on the scale. The third lesson, and perhaps one of the most crucial, is that it's okay to seek help when you need it. We're often taught that asking for help is a sign of weakness, but it's actually a sign of strength. It shows that you're committed to your goal and that you're willing to do what it takes to achieve it. A nutritionist or a fitness expert can provide insight into your diet and exercise routine, identify any potential shortcomings, and provide guidance on how to adjust your plan to overcome the plateau. In conclusion, while weight loss plateaus can be frustrating, they are a normal part of the journey. They're not a sign of failure, but an opportunity for growth and learning. The key is to stay persistent, be open to change, and not be afraid to seek help when needed. Remember, persistence is key, and it's okay to seek help when you need it. I hope my experiences can provide some insights for those of you facing similar challenges. As we ventured through this journey together, we've learned that weight loss plateaus are a common part of the process. But like any obstacle, they can be overcome. Remember, persistence is key. It's easy to feel defeated when progress stalls, but it's in these moments that your dedication truly shines. Keep pushing, keep experimenting, and keep believing in yourself. There's no one-size-fits-all solution to breaking a weight loss plateau, just as there's no one-size-fits-all approach to weight loss. It may take time, and it will definitely take effort, but you will break through. Equally important is seeking expert advice when necessary. Diet and exercise are crucial components of weight loss, but they are not the only factors. Nutritional balance plays a significant role too. If you've tried various methods and still can't push past the plateau, it might be time to consult a nutrition expert. They can help identify any deficiencies in your diet and guide you towards a more balanced, nutritious meal plan. And of course, sharing is a powerful tool. It's through sharing that we learn, grow, and find support. So if you've battled a weight loss plateau and found a way to overcome it, why not share your experience in the comments section below? Your story could be the motivation someone else needs to keep going, and now we've reached the end of our journey today. But remember, this is just one stop on the road to a healthier, happier you. There's so much more to explore, so much more to learn. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you in the next one. Let's continue to grow, learn, and shine together. Till our next journey, take care and keep shining.